हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू ज्योमेट्री स्कूल। सो जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं, इंग्लिश का प्रीमियम मॉक 3। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको कराऊंगी इंग्लिश प्रीमियम मॉक 3, जो आपके सैनिक एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होगा। ऑल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू रिमाइंड ऑल ऑफ यू, अगर आपने ज्योमेट्री स्कूल का हॉस्टल बैच अभी तक नहीं लिया है, इसको ले लीजिए। बैच बहुत रेलिवेंट है, आपके लिए है। अगर आप घर में रहकर पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो आप हमारा ऑनलाइन कोर्स परचेज़ कर लीजिए, और अगर आपको लगता है कि घर में रहकर आप नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं तो आप ज्योमेट्री स्कूल के हॉस्टल को विज़िट कीजिए। सीट्स बहुत ही लिमिटेड हैं, वी हैव ओनली 25 सीट्स, गर्ल्स बॉयज़ दोनों के लिए है। आपको क्या करना है, स्क्रीन पर नंबर है, आपको उसको डायल करना है और जल्दी से अपनी सीट्स को फिलअप करना है। हम लोग मंथली चार्ज करते हैं, बल्क में आपसे पैसा नहीं लिया जाएगा। सो स्टूडेंट्स, विदाउट वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, हरी अप एंड एनरोल फॉर द कोर्स। ऑल्सो इफ़ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब द चैनल येट, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, जिससे जो भी टाइमली इन्फॉर्मेशन हम रिलीज़ करेंगे वो आप तक बिना किसी रुकावट के टाइम से पहुंच जाएगी और आप अपने डिसीजंस लेने में लेट नहीं करेंगे। बट फॉर दैट यू नीड टू सब्सक्राइब ज्योमेट्री स्कूल चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन। RMS स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपका दिसंबर का अटेम्प्ट अच्छा नहीं हुआ है, डोंट वरी, वी हैव बैच सफलता बैच फॉर यू। बैच स्टार्ट हो चुका है, 25 सीट्स अवेलेबल हैं। हॉस्टल बैच है, हॉस्टल में रहकर प्रिपेयर करेंगे तो हम आपको सिलेक्शन की गारंटी देंगे। ऑनलाइन करेंगे तो भी हम आपका सिलेक्शन ज़रूर कराएंगे। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम, हरी अप। ओके, दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। जैसा कि हमने पहले भी मॉक्स अटेम्प्ट किए हैं, अपना पेन और पेपर लीजिए, अपने राइट आंसर्स को लिखिए। मैं आपको 10 सेकेंड्स दूंगी एक आंसर के लिए। 10 सेकेंड्स बाद आई विल डिस्कस द आंसर। आपको आंसर वेरीफाई करना है और अकॉर्डिंगली उसको मार्क करना है। क्लियर? सो इट इज़ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। द मदर सैड टू हर डॉटर, आर यू स्पेंडिंग वाइजली? चेंज द नरेशन। योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ। Time's up. The right answer of this question is, what you have to do, change the narration. Okay, the mother asked her daughter whether she was spending wisely. This is the right answer. Why? Because when I taught you in the class, I told you जब भी आपका ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब से स्टार्ट होगा, आपका क्वेश्चन ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब से स्टार्ट होगा, आप यहाँ पर इफ़ और वेदर यूज़ करेंगे। सेकेंड थिंग, अगर आपका ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में है तो आपका इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में और रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में जाएगा पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में। ओके, सो दिस वाज द रूल। सो द मदर आस्क्ड हर डॉटर वेदर शी वाज स्पेंडिंग वाइजली। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Vegetarianism promotes a natural way of life, but despite its implicit message of universal love and non-violence, it has spread as it should have. This may be because it is usually an inward looking habit and is best cultivated in the mind. Leading a vegetarian way of life helps the animal kingdom to coexist with man. The animals supply milk, manure, and energy. This has been central to the Indian culture for the thousands of years. A vegetarian lifestyle is natural, multifaceted, and helps self preservation in a healthy way. Food and health are closely related. In India, a vegetarian is usually a lacto-vegetarian. In the Western world, vegetarians are subdivided as vegans, means pure vegetarian who do not take any food coming from animal kingdom. Lacto-vegetarians who use dairy products where we were on no. Lacto-vegetarians who use dairy products of the animal kingdom, and lacto-ova vegetarians. The last category includes eggs in addition to dairy products. The Western signs of okay. So what is there? जो dairy products use करेंगे, those were called as lacto-vegetarians, and who use dairy products of the animal kingdom, and lacto-ova vegetarians means who use animal products along with eggs. ठीक है? So उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Lacto-ova vegetarians. The last category includes eggs in addition to dairy products. The Western science of food considers food as something to sustain only the human body, whereas the Indian science considers food as something which sustains not only the body but also maintains the purity of heart, mind and soul. Thus, an item of food which is injurious to the mind is not considered to be fit for consumption, even if it is otherwise beneficial to the body or satisfies the taste. Indian food science does not give so much importance to protein or even to the balanced diet, but gives importance to healthy life. So this was the passage. On the basis of your reading of the passage given above, answer the following questions. So this was your first question. What do non-vegetarian food lack? So these are your examples. I will bring the passage in front of you again. Here is the passage. Please answer. You have 20 seconds to answer. Your time is up now. The right answer of this question is, what do non-vegetarian food lack? They lack their taste of own. Okay. What is the right answer? They lack their taste of own. Next question. Indian science focuses on the importance of food that dash. Your time is up. The right answer of this question is increases the strength of the body and its virility. Okay. So the right answer of this question is option number B. Third question. Lacto-vegetarians are those who... The spelling is wrong here. Right. Use dairy products of animal kingdom. What do we get from animals? 10 seconds. Right. The right answer is we get of the above. Moving on to the next question. Okay students, we have brought rankers batch for you. स्टूडेंट्स वी हैव ब्रॉट रैंकर्स बैच फॉर यू. ये है RIMC 2023 जून अटेम्प्ट वाले स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. अगर आप भी अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हैं उसके लिए आपको ज्योमेट्री स्कूल की लाइव क्लासेस और ज्योमेट्री स्कूल के बैच को ज्वाइन करना होगा, जो होगा हमारा हॉस्टल बैच. गर्ल्स और बॉयज़ दोनों के लिए बैच अवेलेबल है. ठीक है. फीस बहुत नॉमिनल होगी, हम बल्क में आपसे नहीं चार्ज करते. किसी भी इंक्वायरी के लिए स्क्रीन की फर्स्ट स्लाइड पर आपसे नंबर शेयर किया गया है, उस नंबर पर कॉल कर सकते हैं एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द इन्फॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं. ऑल्सो सैनिक स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स, अगर एग्जाम अच्छा नहीं होता है डोंट वरी, वी हैव टॉपर्स प्रो बैच जिसको ज्वाइन करने के बाद आप अपना सारा का सारा पेपर बहुत अच्छे से अटेम्प्ट कर पाएंगे. RMS सेट एग्जाम स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ यू आर looking for some course which can help you to provide or clear the exam, this achievers batch is best for you. घर बैठ के तैयारी कर सकते हैं as it is our live batch. Registrations are already open. क्लासेस स्टार्ट शुरू होने जा रही हैं बहुत जल्दी. उसके लिए आपको एडमिशन लेना है और क्लासेस को रेगुलरली अटेंड करना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट टाइप ऑफ लाइफ डज अ वेजिटेरियन लीड? 10 सेकेंड्स. Natural is the right answer. Next, choose the appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Kill two birds with one stone. Answer. Yes, the right answer of this question is to get two things done with one action. To get two things done with one action. 8. Spot the error. The money for which I shall sold this milk will buy me 300 eggs. What is the right answer? What is the error here? 10 seconds. Time's up. The right answer of this question is in part number 2. Here is the error. This is the error. यहाँ पर sold नहीं होगा, यहाँ पर होगा sell. Because always remember, आप हमेशा auxiliary verb के साथ you will always use base form of the verb. Also to के साथ आप क्या use करेंगे? Base form of the verb. Okay, these are the 2 rules, so mark them important. Next, rearrange the following in proper sequence. Come on, you have 20 seconds. Stop everyone. The right answer of this question is on option number C. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist. Einstein is best known for developing the theory of relativity. He was widely acknowledged to be one of the greatest physicists of all time, but he also made important contributions in the theory of quantum mechanics. ठीक है? Students, please make few corrections here. The right answer of this question is not this one, but this one. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist. He was widely acknowledged to be one of the greatest physicists of all time. Einstein is best known for developing the theory of relativity, but he also made important contributions in the theory of quantum mechanics. Okay. Next, this also you have to rearrange. Your 20 seconds has started. Okay, your time is up now. What is the right answer? The right answer is option number A. Sameer's mother can make paper animals come to life. In the beginning, Sameer loved them and spent hours with his mom. But as soon as he grew up, he stopped talking to her. When his mother tries to talk to him through her creations, he ignores her. Next, change the voice. Did the dentist take out your rotten tooth? Ten seconds. Stop everybody. The right answer of this question is option number C. Because I told you when I taught you in the class active passive, did, take means took, and took is in active, so was taken will be your what? Passive. So look here, the verb was taken. Clear? So this was the right answer. Moving on to next question. So 10 seconds. Select the correct walk the tightrope. Yes, the right answer of this question is be very cautious. Okay, moving on to next question number 13. Okay, UP Sainik students, please listen it very carefully. We have निश्चय बैच फॉर यू. ये हमारा हॉस्टल बैच है. अगर आप अभी एलिजिबल नहीं है यूपी सैनिक एग्जाम के लिए बट नेक्स्ट ईयर एलिजिबल हैं, उसके लिए आपको ये निश्चय बैच ज्वाइन करना होगा ज्योमेट्री स्कूल की तरफ से, जिससे कि आप अपना फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट ईजिली क्लियर कर लें. ओके, so students, without wasting your time, it is very important for you to join this batch. Clear? स्क्रीन पर नंबर गिवन है, आप इनको डायल कर सकते हैं और सारी डिटेल इंक्वायरी ले सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. स्पॉट द एरर. द लिटिल गर्ल एंजॉयज टू प्ले इन द पार्क विद हर पेट डॉग. कम ऑन, आंसर एवरीवन. 10 seconds starts. Quickly give me the answer. Yes, the right answer of this question is enjoys to play in. What is the error? The error in this part. It's The error is in this part. The right answer of this question is enjoy in the park. Because always remember, there are certain words such as enjoy, avoid, postpone, miss, suggest, which are always followed by verb form and ing. Okay, these are always followed by gerunds, which we call. That's why the little girl enjoys playing in the park. 13. Fill the gap with the appropriate question tag. The servants have not closed the doors. Your answer? Good. The right answer of this question is have they. The right answer is have they. What is the right answer? The right answer is have they. This is your right answer. Clear? Moving on to next. Choose the correct antonym. Decline. Decline is the word. You have to give the opposite of decline. Good. The right answer, the right meaning of the word decline is, we have to give the opposite of decline. The answer is accept. The answer is accept. Next question, give one word. A person employed to drive a private or hired car. What is the name of that person? A person employed to drive a private or hired car. Again 10 seconds. Good. Very good. So the right answer of this question is chauffeur. What is the right answer? The right answer is chauffeur. 17. Give one word in examination of a dead body. I hope you all are familiar with this question. Yes, the right answer is post-mortem. The right spelling of post-mortem is post-mortem. Question number 18. Select the incorrectly spelled word. Yes, the right answer of this question is digital. 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 19. My uncle, what do you have to do? Select the correct improvement. My uncle brought a dozens of apples yesterday. My uncle brought a dozens of apples yesterday. Right. The right answer of this question is dozens of apple. The right answer is dozen of apple. Sorry. This is the right answer. A dozen. My uncle brought a dozen apples yesterday. This is a dozen apples. और अगर आपके पास होगा dozens of, then you will go for dozens of. Sorry. DOZE. Plural plus of, singular plus a. ठीक है? Next question number 20. Choose the correct replacement. The Prime Minister has affected a new policy today. The Prime Minister has affected a new policy today. Yes, the right answer is effected. Effected is the right answer. The Prime Minister has effected matlab came into being. Again, reminding you for RIMC, if you really want to prepare seriously, you have to join the batch which has already started. So please hurry up and enroll yourself. Identify the choice that fits in the blank. I am certain you have dash a mistake. Yes, the right answer is made. What is the right answer? Made. Next question 22. Yes, your 10 seconds starts now. And time's up. The right answer of this question is India has been winning. Now listen it very carefully. Question ने क्या बोला है? That cannot fit. That cannot fit the sentence and the right answer is has been winning. उसके बाद question number 23. Identify the most appropriate meaning of the word inception. The most appropriate meaning of the word inception. Yes. The right answer is skillful. Next, identify the word that is opposite in meaning. Inadvertent. Opposite means antonym. Yes. The right answer of this question is intentional. What is the right answer? Intentional. The meaning of inadvertent is unintentional. अगर इसका मीनिंग अनइंटेंशनल है तो ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? इंटेंशनल. नेक्स्ट 25 क्वेश्चन. फिल विद सूटेबल ब्लैंक. व्हाट शुड आई डैश टू द पार्टी टुनाइट? Good. The right answer of this question is wear. What should I wear to the party tonight? This is the right answer. Okay students, so please mark yourself accordingly. मार्क्स अपने शेयर कीजिएगा कमेंट बॉक्स में. चैनल को नहीं सब्सक्राइब किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सारी नोटिफिकेशन आपको एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पर मिल जाएंगी. आपको इधर उधर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. टिल देन, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड प्लीज़ वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट प्रीमियम मॉक. बाय बाय.